Good morning, boys and girls. It's Dr. Ocampo, and I need your attention in three, two, and one. What? Dr. Ocampo? That's right, boys and girls. I have a special announcement. I'm very proud to announce that I have become a doctor. But what does that mean? Well, let me tell you what it means. So, how did I become a doctor? Well, first, there's two types of doctors, boys and girls. The first one is a medicine doctor, a medical doctor. Those are the people that you go see when you're sick. Another kind of doctor is more like a thinking doctor or a doctor of education, a doctor of learning. So what happened is I went to school. And what happens, going to school is like a video game. There's different levels. Just like when you do a video game, there's different levels. So right now you're in the elementary school level, which is kinder, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Then when you go to middle school, like Hamilton, like some of you guys are going to go to, then you're in the second level, which is sixth, seventh, and eighth. Then it's high school, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Then to become a teacher, I needed to go to school 5 more years. Four to get my BA, to become a teacher, and one to get my credential. So that's 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Then the next level is I had to get my master's in order to become a principal. So that was 18 and 19 years of school. Then finally, the last level, the highest you can go in education, is a doctorate. So I went back to college for 3 years, 20, 21, and 22. And then I became a doctor. That's right. So there were four things I needed to do to become a doctor. First of all, I needed to do a lot of homework. I needed to study. I needed to take classes. Then I needed to find a problem of practice or a case study, something that I wanted to study and work on. Then I did a big essay called a dissertation. Just like when you do an essay, well, I had to do an essay, but my essay was 120 pages. That became a book. So down here is a picture of my actual dissertation. It's called Doctoral Dissertation by Osvaldo Ocampo. San Diego State University, 2024. It's actually a book and it's bound. So I'm actually like a published author. Then the last thing I needed to do is I needed to present my dissertation. So I had to pass a defense and I had to tell them about my study, and they asked me questions and they questioned it, and then I got to pass. Then I get to graduate. So I finished my classes in December, but I get to graduate this May. On May 12th, I'm gonna get to go to a big old graduation. I get to get a special hat that only doctorate students get. And then I actually get hooded, the special kind of scarf that they put around doctoral students. Another fun fact is that my Mrs. Ocampo, my wife, she became a doctor too. So in our family, we have two doctors Ocampo. So, so I want to introduce myself as Dr. Ocampo. So when you see me, you can say, "Hi, Dr. Ocampo," and if you forget and you say Mr., that's okay too. But I just want you to know why people are calling me Dr. Ocampo. I did it because I worked hard and I followed my dream of becoming a doctor, so I can show you that you can do it too, boys and girls. So when you grow up and you want to study and you want to go to the highest level of school, then you can become a doctor too, just like Dr. Ocampo. Well, that's how I became a doctor. Thank you for watching. Bye, boys and girls.